bitches.
Yo, big shout out to my dude Tyler. Yo, you've been through some shit, man. You already know what I'm talking about. But I think we about to get famous for this one. So I think I'm just gonna start it off and tell the haters like this, you know, cause it's a 59, 50 fit and body can't get in. You know I got a gas, so I got a clip with it. If there's a script, I'ma rip it, I'ma flip it, I'ma give your bitch a D. I ain't talking about a digits. Beat the beat slow, I ain't fucking with a hoe. You already know, so what I fucking the dope. This right here ain't rap, it's killing in my bass thump once and I flatten the whole bill. And this is why I spit what I spit when I spit when I'm real. Doing drive-bys just to get a thrill. Need fucking chemo cause I'm getting too ill. This why I'm hot, I ain't talking meat meals. Do this for me, fuck what you feel. Me in this game's practically a steal. Girl texting me, she already know the deal. Say that I'm fake, then I must be too real. She DTF, get that pussy wet. Fuck around, get your bitch ass swept on a rug. When I hit him with the mean mug, and you know I make it rain Katrina. Married to this game, I ain't talking about prenup. Murder whole scene is in need of a cleanup. This is why I spit when I start this steamer. Only 16 and already riding a beamer. Swag, and you whack in fact done killed the track, put in a body bag. Put me on a beat and a body that. Only question they ask where the body at. Think you fresh, my copycat. Done stole your girl, where your mommy at? You ain't nothing but a grimy cat. Just stop spin cause you're ruining rap. I'll send you straight to heaven with my AK-47. Got 7 in the blunt, better up it to 11. 804's what I'm reppin'. Any man, I'll be the death of him. Rap is what I'm leaving an everlasting impression in. Cause this right here is me, Mac. You ain't seen a boy like that. Roll in the crib with the shotty, flip your lid. I'm a winner in this shit. Go ahead and place your bids. Y'all.